Good morning and welcome to Forex Club TV. Today is Friday, August 28th, 2009. I'm Remy with your Forex Club market update. As we head into the final trading session of this week, the Japanese yen is trading lower against the major currency pairs. Now, global equity markets have been stronger overnight and are in positive territory with the exception of China's Shanghai Composite Index. And here at the New York Stock Exchange at the opening bell, we're seeing the Dow higher as well as the other major indexes. Now, keeping that in mind, we're going to take a look at U.S. economic data releases as well as figures from across the Atlantic. Now, both the euro as well as the British pound were boosted earlier due to Eurozone economic confidence, which jumped 80.6% from 76, as well as the UK GDP figure, which was revised upwardly to minus 0.7% from minus 0.8% on a quarterly basis. And here in the U.S., we got the personal income and spending figures out from the Commerce Department this morning. Now, the latest figure for the month of July in personal income was unchanged after falling 1.1% in June. Meanwhile, consumer spending climbed 0.2% following June's 0.6% boost. And shifting our focus on over to the FX market, we're seeing that euro-dollar is trading at 1.4386 as of 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Now, in the short term, the upside does prevail and daily technical indicators still remain bullish, calling for a larger rebound. Now, trading central analysts still prefer do expect to see an advance, and as long as the pivot of the 140 level is not breached on the downside, they do see the target still at 145, followed by 146.60 in extension. Now, alternatively, the bullish scenario and outlook will only be invalidated if we see a downside breakout of the 140 level. And shifting our focus on over to dollar yen, it is currently trading at 93.74. In the short term, the pair is under pressure and daily technical indicators still remain bearish. Now, the preference of trading central analysts is they do favor a move to the downside, and as long as the pivot of 98, if that is not broken, then the targets remain at 91.65, followed by 89.80 in extension. Now, alternatively, the bearish outlook will be invalidated if that pivot point is breached on the upside. And moving on to the euro-yen cross, it is currently trading at 134.86. On an intraday basis, a further advance is expected, and the RSI is currently mixed to bullish. Now, the preference of trading central analysts is the long positions above the 134 level, which is the pivot point, with targets at 135.50 and 136 in extension. Now, alternatively, below that pivot of 134, they are looking for further downside with 133.25 and 132.60 as targets. And before we head into the weekend at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, we will be getting the Reuters University of Michigan's Consumer Confidence Index for the month of August. And that wraps it up for a Forex Club market update. Have a great weekend.